But then for the more complicated stuff, it calls in the bigger server model. This is like your powerful remote research team running in Apple's private cloud, ready for the really heavy lifting. Right, so how do you actually build these two different AI brains? This is where we get into the real secret sauce, the clever engineering tricks and the specific data they use that makes it all click. See, each model has its own unique design. The little on-device model does this clever thing where it shares something called a key value cache. So in simple terms, instead of every part of the AI needing its own separate scratchpad to work on, they all share from a common pool. That one trick slashes its memory needs. The bigger server model, though, uses this brand new design called a parallel track mixture of experts. Just imagine a really complex problem getting broken down and sent down multiple parallel assembly lines at the exact same time. It's a way to work on a ton of things at once, which just kills any delays. And what's the payoff for that new server design? Well, the number is frankly kind of staggering. It cuts down on the communication overhead, what the paper calls synchronization, by 87.5%. That is a huge leap in efficiency. It lets the model take on these massive problems without ever getting bogged down. Okay, so what's the fuel for these models? What are they actually learning from? Well, Apple says it's a mix of three things: data they've specifically licensed, public open source datasets that anyone can access, and information their own web crawler, Applebot, gathers from the internet. After, and this is key, filtering out personal info and other junk.